For today's gala, we're going to Bella Montana na matatagpuan sa San Vicente, Bamban, Tarlac. Nag-Google Map nga lang pala kami papunta dito and it took us 1 hour and 15 minutes I think bago makarating. But before that, nag-drive-thru muna kami dito sa Jollibee for our lunch. Hindi na kami nakapag-prepare ng dadalhin na food since nakamotor lang, so we decided na bumili na lang outside. Ito nga at may nadaanan kaming bridge along our way and ang peaceful lang ng view since nature yung nakikita mo. Maganda din dito mag-picture since walang masyadong dumadaan. Once you reach Barangay Kalumpang dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga, mga 20 minutes na lang ang biyahe papuntang Bella Montana. May mga tindahan naman na nagbebenta ng mga inumin and snacks sa gilid ng mga kalsada before you reach the location. Kaya kung sakaling magutom kayo or mauhaw, meron naman kayong mabibilhan. Before the entrance, nagbayad nga pala kami ng 20 pesos each for the environmental fee. Then pagpasok namin dito sa entrance nila, nagbayad kami ng another 50 pesos each for the entrance fee. Then tinatakan kami after. Ito nga at ang unang bubungad sa iyo ay yung peaceful na nature, simoy ng hangin at iba't ibang klase ng mga puno. Ideal place siya for picnic and nature trip with friends or family if you want to relax while enjoying the view of nature. Pwede nga rin pala kayo magdala ng tent if you want to rest and also bring food but take your trash with you kasi wala silang mga garbage bags sa tabi-tabi. But there are staffs naman na naglilinis ng place and if you need assistance, you can ask them naman. So here's our view from the bottom since dito kami humanap ng parking. Ito nga at may nahanap kaming spot na malilim kaya naman dito na lang kami kumain. Since na-miss namin ng partner ko kumain sa fast food, here's what we eat for lunch. We ordered their famous Chicken Joy, fries, burger, at yung favorite kong sundae. After that, we rested for a while habang kwentuhan, then umuwi na. Sometimes, we need this kind of relaxation. Yung away from the city, away from our busy lives, para hindi tayo ma-burnout. Kasi kapag paulit-ulit yung ginagawa natin, we feel less excitement in what we do. So I hope you take the time to give yourself space to unwind from the everyday pressures of your life. Always remember that it's okay to give yourself permission to rest. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.